Hey, it's Chris again with CNH Auto Accessories, and we got something special today. We have Dalton's truck from the South Florida Truck Club, which we'll be doing a full video on everything, but today we're just gonna do a video on some of the things we did on Dalton's truck. Well, we did more or less three things. We did a rough country leveling kit for the front, 1 3/4, not quite 2 inches. We also did some Toyo tires here. These are the open country all-terrains here. Now this is the all-terrain 3, which I think is one of their better looking ones. I think it's a great tire. Now as you can see, he has a Kimbo topper on here for the camping and stuff, and that's one of the reasons some of the things we've done here. The tires, we want to make sure something, if you want to do a little off-roading, is okay, but it's still a very good highway tire. It's gonna ride nice, it's not gonna be loud, it looks good, but it's gonna function really good. So come on back here, what else did we do? Now a lot of the stuff we did is hard to see, but we got a Airlift 5000 here with the remote, so you can adjust it that way. And this is, what is it called, the Easy One. Easy One, okay, so again, why do we put an Airlift? This is a perfect example. He's got, probably, what is it about, Dalton, what is it, 1,800 pounds on this?
A little, 1,800 pounds loaded, I would say.
Okay.
We had 1,200 pounds.
Yeah, now he can adjust it right now. He's got, I think, 1,600 pounds on here, so he can go a little further up. But right now, if you look, it's looking pretty level, because a lot of times you put something like this in the back or you're towing, and you get that sag in the back. If you notice here, he doesn't have a sag. And even with the leveling kit in the front here, he can level the whole truck really nice. And I tell you, we're gonna do another video on the Kimbo. We're not doing that today, but today we did the Airlift 5000 with the remote. We also did the Toyo tires, open country AT3s, and we did the rough country 1 3/4 inch lift on a Toyota Tundra 2022. Anything you see here you like, we can get for you. We can ship it anywhere in the country, or you can come here like Dalton did and have us put it on for you. Either way, we got you covered. Before I forget, like and subscribe. And again, this is a review of Airlift 5000, the leveling kit rough country, and the Toyo open country AT3s. Thanks.